everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video lecture we're going to be introducing you with the concept of Dijkstra algorithm, and this topic is very important and crucial in graphs, and this is basically a single source shortest path algorithm which is used to find the shortest path from a given starting node till the ending node. So this series is going to discuss this Dijkstra algorithm, which is the grandmaster algorithm for finding shortest path in graphs, in weighted graphs as well as in unweighted graphs. We'll be discussing about the concept of Dijkstra algorithm and its optimizations as well as its applications to various problems and different edge cases. We'll also be learning how Dijkstra algorithm is different from the usual breadth first search, which is also used to find the shortest path in unweighted graphs. How Dijkstra algorithms comes as an escape or as an improvement over the usual BFS to find the shortest path in weighted graphs. We'll also discuss why Dijkstra algorithm works only for the graphs containing positive weights or non-negative weights, but it doesn't work for the graphs containing negative edges. Apart from these conceptual ideas, we'll be applying the concept of Dijkstra algorithm for various scenarios and problems. The problems I have taken from various online judges like CSCS, LeetCode, as well as from competitive programming judges like Codeforces and CodeChef. I've selected the problems in such a way that most of the patterns which regularly appear in these problems during contests and interviews are covered. After you solve these problems which I have compiled, you would be able to figure out any Dijkstra problems which occurs in interview or in any contest. So at the end of the series, you would be equipped with one more algorithm called Dijkstra algorithm, and you would be able to find the shortest path, and you would be able to tweak this algorithm according to the problem scenario. Okay, so I will discuss a few problems. The problems ranges from easy difficulty level till hard difficulty level, so that maximum number of concepts and observations and like modifications of Dijkstra algorithm are covered. We'll also be solving a few problems contains which contains the application of Dijkstra algorithm along with other advanced concepts like dynamic programming. So to learn all these things, stay tuned with me. I hope to see you all in my next video where I'll be discussing about the concept of Dijkstra algorithm and its applications. So thank you so much.